So if you follow my channel, you know that Apollo Anew is a project that I am very bullish on. I unveiled it on my channel. I had a live AMA with the founder of Apollo Anew on my channel. By the way, that is Matt Johnson right there. Okay, and you can find that AMA here on my channel. It was done a couple of weeks ago. It was a very good one. And what we learned about Matt is that Matt is a 25 plus year software development executive and has worked with the companies like the likes of NBC, WWE wrestling, Pfizer, things of that nature. Was his background. He was early into application development, app development for the iPhone devices, etc. Has also done a lot of gaming software development back in the day. Continues to do that. And Apollo Anew is a project that was created actually via his son. Matt's son is in the music industry starting out, and he's a creative. And one day he was talking to Matt about how hard it is as a being a creative in the music industry to kind of get started and get people and get eyeballs on your project and just basically gain traction. And so Matt took it upon himself to create something that would help creatives in all different walks of life, from in the music industry to writing, the things of that nature. So what he's done, what Apollo, and if you don't know, it's going to be a community project, community token, where there's going to be a DAO component where community members can vote on projects to fund, okay, for creative people. And I thought that was amazing. It's a really, really cool project. So I wanted to show you a couple of things. Number one, this is their Twitter feed. And there's only 255 tweets, but the amount of tweets and what they're doing, their transparency is truly, truly amazing if you see it. Okay, so number one, 14 hours ago, 7.15% of circulating supply burned since January 12th, less than 3 weeks. Did you know that? Pretty cool. All right, so this is Matt right here talking about literally just in these two tweets, a perfect example of kind of what they're doing for their transparency. So good morning, everyone. This is 22 hours ago. Exciting week for Apollo Anew token. We start our internal alpha testing of the 2.0 DAO today. The DAO is this voting, communal aspect, right? Where you can vote on projects and things like that. Looking forward to all the good we will do to support creators. And then 15 hours, really only 16 hours later, so this was 15 hours ago, he tweeted, DAO 2.0 alpha deployed to testnet. If you don't know what that means, it basically is deployed to a testnet. Docs provided to internal and community testers. Web 3.0 DAO website in full development for beta launch. Legal and contract review in progress for exchange listings. Not a bad Monday. Again, what I love, transparency. Number two, the executive out front and center doing his own tweets. So definitely you should follow Matt if you're interested in this. Follow Apollo Anew, but also follow Matt because he is out there front and center being very, very transparent about this project. Also, by the way, guys, I'm in their Telegram group, Discord. Matt is in there answering questions, things of this nature. Really, really good project if you're not familiar with it. And I think long-term, a lot of good things. So let's look real quickly. I want to show you something on their chart. I want to show you this. So number one, Apollo has, if you didn't know this, 1,670 holders, market cap 15.6 million, total liquidity of 1.7, good liquidity ratio there. But what I really wanted to show you, this is a 1 hour chart, okay? I wanted to show you this. So look at this, basically from 21 January all the way over to 25, 26 January, I want to show you this support level that was created, okay? We had volatility a little bit here, ups and downs, but then look at the support level that was created here. Then we had a massive spike up, and look at a trend that's happening again. Really from from 26 January, so basically about 6 days ago, look at the support level that we started to create here as well, the tight trading band. Okay, so we've established this new support. So you see this is really, really good long-term for a token that is this new to establish a multi-day support level that really trades in this tight band. Oh, by the way, then to get a bounce up and then to do it again, is something that is really impressive to see. It speaks to a couple of things. Number one, viability, stability of the project, stability of the holders. Another thing you can see even right here, like on Dex Tools, you can see, the transactions coming through. So when you do have sell-offs, they are eaten up pretty quickly. I mean, I've watched this, guys. There's been 20 ETH sales, 20 ETH sales that are disappeared within 20 or 30 minutes. Yeah, I mean, the market, it rebounds it. That's how active this community is. Oh, there was another thing that I saw live happen. This was a couple of weeks ago. I was in their Telegram group. There had been a large sell-off, like a 15 Ethereum sell-off that happened. And of course, the chart took a hit, okay? So guess what the members of the Telegram themselves took it to do? This was no internal people at Apollo. This was the community behind Apollo in their Telegram said, you know what we're going to do? They created a buy wall. They literally all went in as a concerted effort at one time and started buying and did that as a community. Really, really cool. And something that I just wanted to make you aware of. All right, guys, thank you so much for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. I wanted to just kind of bring you this up. This is what I'm seeing in Apollo. This is one that I do love and is absolutely showing some really strong legs as far as moving forward, as far as the price action on the chart, but also more importantly, the communal aspect of this, the transparency of the leadership team. Now they're out front and center. I'm loving everything I'm seeing here. All right, guys, take it easy. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. Go make some money. Bye.